Hey, if I get pulled over, man, I got a valid excuse. They're like, sir, my exhaust fell. And you know, most people would be like, yeah, bullshit. I'm like, look, it's right there. I dropped my exhaust. The weld broke and my V-band fell off. Lols. Good morning, friends. What's up, man? It's been a minute.
It has been a little minute.
Look under. You'll see what I mean. I know, it went Valvetronic, like, loud. I was like, wait a minute, I don't have valves on this car.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Because your car's fucking on the ground.
What's up?
Hi.
It's been a minute.
I know, it's been forever.
No, this is easy. I'm just gonna take off my muffler.
Okay, what do you need?
I showed you. That. Right here. All I gotta do is remove this, and the whole muffler comes out. Look at the muffler!
What size do you estimate that to be?
That looks like a 14 and a 6. Buddy,
T30s also work for H.
I'm gonna hook you up with a tool set. Here we go. Do you wanna hold the exhaust tip from falling? Oh. Pull down diffuser just a smidge. Ah, I gave birth to a muffler.
It's a boy.
Wait a minute. Did we not weld this whole thing?
No, this is it's like a, one of these is a male and the other is a female, right?
Yeah,
Did
but
it pop off?
it looks like we just
It
tapped.
popped off.
Yeah, they were just.
Yeah, because that's two together. You could take off this, take this whole thing off right here.
I know what I'm saying is it was just tacked. We didn't even weld it all the way
Yeah,
around.
because that's both pieces right there. It's tacked 1, 2, 3, 4.
What the fuck?
Oh shit.
It held that long?
What are the odds, dude?
Okay, let's go get a ticket for exhaust noise. Irvine is not friendly to loud cars. Luckily, I have good friends everywhere, and fuck, I'm safe. Okay, I go home now. Hey, if I get pulled over, man, I got a valid excuse. They're like, sir, my exhaust fell. And you know, most people would be like, yeah, bullshit. I'm like, look, it's right there. It fell off. Yep, straight pipe AZ1. Pretty loud. But it doesn't sound gross. It doesn't sound as gross as a straight pipe Miata, I tell you that. Or straight pipe G35. Yeah, I can't believe we forgot to weld that shit.
What did I tell you about coming without baby girl?
That bitch fell right off.
There?
Send it.
Now do that one.
3 tacks held on for a year. My AZ1!
I didn't know that. Oh, the little guy.
Yeah! And that's rigid mount too.
Thank you.
Very nice. Yeah? Here's the final. Nice and pretty. Simple, single exhaust, downpipe.